So we have a mathematics question that says the table shows the masses of luggages for 100 passengers on a train. So these are the masses here you are seeing. Now these masses are showing what you call the interval, meaning the lower limit, the upper limit, the lower, the upper, and so on. Now this here is the total number of passengers. Already it is given, it is 100. So meaning even when you add these, you're still going to get what 100. That's the actual meaning. Now you must understand that this simply help us to do to say, so 60 passengers, the masses of their luggages were between this. So 22 passengers, the mass of their luggages were between these two numbers and so on. But the question here is saying, find the median. What is a median? Median, it is the class interval whose cumulative frequency is greater or near to the sum of the frequency divided by 2. So now what this simply means is you need to find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is just a table which helps us to find the median, the quartile, and interquartile range. So what we do is we draw this one here. We draw another table for the frequency, for the cumulative frequency. So like this, okay? How like this here, like this here. So like this, okay. So like this. So like this. So this is the first step if you want to answer. So here there will be cumulative frequency like this. So the first value, it is always the first value for frequency. So this is for frequency here. So you put 6, that's the first value. Now the next step, you say 6 plus 22, you get what? 28. Next step, you say 28 plus 12, we are going to get what? 40. Next step, you say 40 plus 58, you're going to get 98. Again, you say 98 plus 2, you're going to get what? 100. But remember what they said in the definition. They said the last part was saying the sum of f. So the sum of f simply means supposed to add, meaning it is given by this. You say now the sum of f over what? Over 2. Now sum of f simply means supposed to add all these numbers here. Already we know it is what? It is 100. So you just put 100 there over 2. So 2 into 100 is going to give me 50. Now what you do with the 50, you go to where, or to the nearest value where 50 is found, where in the cumulative frequency. So if you check, this is below 50, this is below 50, this is below 50, but this number, it is above 50. Now remember what median is here. Median, it is a class interval. So this number is above 50, it is corresponding to which class interval? This one. So meaning the median here will be 300 to 399, which is the answer.